continue to look for the greatest common factor between these monomials. On this next problem, what number do these share in common? Well, a 9 and a 16 do not share any common factors. But if you look, this one has A times A times A times A times A, and this one just has an A. So they share an A in common, just one single A. This one, the X, or the 8 and the 7, do not share anything in common, but this one has X times X, and this has X times X times X, so they share an X squared in common. My last example talks about how a cafeteria has 18 chocolate milk cartons and 24 regular. The cook wants to arrange the cartons with the same number of cartons in each row. Chocolate and regular cannot be in the same row. How many rows will there be if the cook puts the greatest number of cartons in each row? So we're talking about the greatest common factor between those two numbers first of all. So I'll look for those and I'll write them out this time. 1 times 18, 2 times 9, 3 times 6, and then for 24 I have 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, and 4 times 6. So the greatest common factor is 6. What does that tell me? Well, that I'm going to put 6 cartons in a row. So what that means is that I might have 6 chocolate cartons in a row, and then I'd put another 6 chocolate cartons, and then I'd put another 6 chocolate cartons. And so there would be my 18 chocolate cartons right here. Then I'd have to make a new row with 8 in them, or 6 in them each. And I would need an additional 4 rows for that regular milk. So how many rows do I have altogether? The answer is 7 rows.